Hello there. I'm Wally the Worm, and today, we're going to answer a squirmy question: how do worms like me dig through the soil when we're so soft and squishy? Let's take a closer look at my amazing body. We worms have strong muscles and tiny bristles called setae. These help us grip the soil and move forward. It's like having built-in shovels and traction pads. When we want to dig, we stretch our bodies and use our muscles to push forward. Our setae grip the soil, so we don't slip back. It's a perfect system for tunneling through the earth. Our digging isn't just for fun. Worm tunnels help air and water reach plant roots, making gardens healthy and happy. We're the unsung heroes of the garden. Did you know there are over 6,000 types of worms? And some can dig as deep as 6.5 feet. Thanks for joining me on this wiggly adventure. Remember, the next time you see a worm, give it a cheer for being a fantastic digger. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment with your suggestions, and subscribe for new videos every day.